to pump you up. Coach Kim is here for a full body dumbbell workout, except for that last one, which you're gonna love. So hang with me, 5 exercises, 2 rounds, 50 seconds. I'm not gonna neglect any of your 600 muscles with this one. Just remember to check with your doctor before starting any exercise program. All right, Coach Kim has got a pair of dumbbells. I suggest probably a medium-sized pair. Maybe you have 2 different pairs in case you need to drop set a little bit. It just means if you have to go a little bit lighter. So let's go ahead and start with the first exercise, 50 seconds. Curtsy lunge to a bicep curl. So let's get to work. Curtsy lunge, where you're gonna go back behind you like a little curtsy. You're gonna stand up, palms up, curl. Awesome. So on this one, you're working that gluteus medius, which is the side of the butt. And who doesn't love working their butt? And you're doing the biceps. So notice how there's a hesitation at the top, then I'm curling. So pick a weight that for 50 seconds you can do this. And by the way, we're about halfway there. And if you feel like this is too heavy, get a lighter pair, or next round, you'll be able to change it up then, okay? So down, up. So you're working the butt in the arms. It's also gonna get the heart rate ticking a little bit because you're using the legs, large muscle group. Very exciting, at least I think it is. I love this one. And then stand nice and tall. You've got time for one more. Lunge, stand, curl. Perfect. Next one, feet shoulder width. It's called a thruster. You might want to go a little bit lighter in weights because this is going to be legs and shoulders. Palms facing in. Ready? Go. So go down, thrust up. Make sure feet are shoulder width. Toes are facing forward. Do you notice how I go down slow? Breathe out, push up like a rocket ship, okay? So down slow. Not that I know what a rocket ship is like pushing up, but you get the idea. Heart rate's gonna fly. Working the shoulders, the quads, the hammies, the glutes. Whoo, I know I'm feeling this. Heart rate's ticking, you're halfway there. You can always do a half thruster, which looks like this. Thrust it up if you have some wonky knees or you're starting to poop out a little bit, okay? Down and up. Do what you can do, 10 seconds. Make sure you breathe out as you push. Stay with me here. The heavier you go, the more winded you're gonna be. Perfect. All right, third exercise. Single-legged deadlift to a low row. So stand on one leg, soft knee. You're gonna hinge forward. Keep the weight close. As soon as you get to the bottom, mid-shin, row. Bring the weight down, stand up, alternate. Ready? And go. Hip hinge, soft knee, palms in. So you're working your back on this one, your biceps. You're working on the hip hinge, which is your hamstrings, your lower back, your glutes. Very nice. It's a two-up. Here's an option. Hinge, row. So if you find your balance is off, use the kickstand. Hinge, row. And I promise you this will get better and better the more you do it, okay? You're halfway. There you go. And you could do this workout 2-3 times a week. You want to try minimum of 2. Woo, that's it. Mix it up, but try to get at least 2 to 3 full body in, and you can break it up into different body parts. But just to keep it simple, if you're doing full body 3 times a week, you're doing great. Hinge, row, down, up. Perfect. Next 2 are going to be on the ground. So I'd like you to hop on the ground or sit instead of hopping. Hold your booty up isometrically. Why? Because we are working the lower back, the glutes, and the hammies. We're going to do a chest fly to a tricep extension. Soft elbows out to the side. Elbows touch the ground. Bring the weights above the chest. And then slowly bend. Keep the elbows pointed at the ceiling. Bend at the elbow. Come back up. Let's go again. Here we go. Soft elbows. Fly. Working the chest, the shoulders. This is working the back of the arms. And guess what? You are isometrically working the back of the legs there and the glutes and the hamstrings. Like I said, multiple muscle groups, all in 5 exercises. Beautiful. Down slow. Pick a weight that's challenging but doable. We want to build muscle. Muscle's metabolic. You burn calories at rest. It helps bone density and it looks better than fat. You got one more. And we start losing muscle after the age of 30. Last one. And rest. All right, dead bug. This was the one I was telling you. Great body weight core workout or core exercise. Legs up tabletop, heads relaxed. Arms up above your chest with your palms facing in. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Reach back, come back up and alternate. Here we go. I love this one because people with neck and back issues, This is a really good one for you. And you get to work that whole core. Keep your tummy tight. Oh, your arms straight, 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 straight. Yep, your head's relaxed. Try to keep your back flat the best you can. Whoo, dead bugs, I'm getting the raid out now. Psh, you're doing good. No stinking thinking. Say, I've got this. It feels good. I am so grateful. I am strong. I am healthy. I am capable. You're going to speak it. Those I ams are very important. I don't want to hear I'm slow, I'm old, I'm fat. You need to knock that off and speak nice to yourself. Okay, hug those knees to chest. That's my little teach and preach to you. We got to get our mindset right. And this exercise thing really does help us, not just on the outside, but up here as well. It's good stuff. All right, grab your weights. You want to go a little heavier? If you're a newbie, I suggest staying light or no weight. And here we go. So curtsy, we're starting at the top. Stand tall, bicep curl. Awesome. So lunge, working that booty and working the arms. And the reason I have my beginners going light or no weight, because you will be a little sore. It's called delayed onset muscle soreness, and it typically happens 2 days after a workout. So you want to start off gradual. I want you to move tomorrow, to get in and out of your chair and be able to fix your hair tomorrow, okay? It becomes a love-hate with Coach Kim, and I don't want it to start off as a hate right away. So I'm glad you're listening to me. You got 20 seconds. Squeeze the bicep, not the dumbbell. I'm reminding you, hesitate and curl, that's it. And if this weight's, like you feel like you can get 5 more reps in with this after I'm done, then that means you need to go a little heavier next time, okay? You're not gonna get bulky. Perfect, all right, thrusters, feet shoulder width, toes facing forward, palms in. If you need to grab a little bit lighter weight, that's fine. Here we go. Down, thrust it up. This is the one that's gonna get that heart rate really ticking. Healthy heart is a happy heart. Whoo, yes. And every time you push it up, think a nice thought. Down, push. Say, this feels good, I feel good. Yes, you're halfway. That's it. My girls in the house that are my age, yeah, you're probably wondering how old I am. I am 56 and feel fabulous. I plan to feel fabulous when I'm 96. Breathe out and push. It's the secret to aging well, or one of the secrets. 10 more seconds. Breathe and push. Last one. Yes. All right, remember that deadlift one? Okay, single-legged, use the kickstand if you need to, if your balance is a little off, okay? Ready, and go. Hip hinge. Remember the row for your back, your pulling motion. Come all the way up, all the way, and alternate. Hinge. It's good for the ankles too. Balance. Look how much good stuff is going on with this. Hinge. Pinch your mid-back. Keep your tummy tight. Soft knee on the down. That's it. And remember, it's a tua, not a witha. That means when I'm hinging, hesitate, then pull. That's what the tua means. We're getting our prepositions right here. You got 15 more seconds. Pinch your mid-back. Beautiful. Keep going, we're almost done. Hinge, mid-back, and stand tall. Beautiful. Last 2 on the ground. Look how many muscle groups we're working right here. This is good stuff. You don't need to be in a gym for 2 hours, okay? If you hang with me, we'll get you those good workouts. Hold the hips up. Chest fly to try. Here we go. Soft elbows out. Bring it up above the chest. Bend the elbows. Beautiful. Here we go. Out. Up. Down slow. Remember the 2 parts to the movement. Soft elbows on the down. It's like you're giving Santa Claus a big hug, and he eats lots and lots and lots of sugar cookies. So you got to wrap your arms around him. You're halfway. Up. And it's a fact, people that work out tend to eat healthier. Yes, they do. So remember to shop the outer perimeters of the grocery store. Think fruits and vegetables, eggs, lean meats. Try to eat whole, real food. So avoid unprocessed or processed foods as best you can. One more. And perfect. All right, weights down, dead bug. I'm getting the raid. Legs up. Try not to let the calves sag. So hold them up, palms up, opposite arm, opposite leg. Yeah, this is a brain exercise too. This is good stuff. It's our last one. Excellent exercise right here. One of my faves. And I like it because it works for most people. Okay, really good one for the core. All the way back. Stomach tight. That's it. You're getting that hip and leg too. Whoo. Oh yeah. Jack LaLanne, the God of Fitness, and I have the same philosophy. Exercise is king, nutrition is queen. Together it makes a kingdom. Good. 15 seconds. Come on. Stay in it. Keep your back flat. I'm going to give you a delicious stretch after this. Stay with me. Another one. Perfect. Hug those knees to chest. Connect your fingers. Lift your head up. Hold right here. Hold it, hold it. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I told you it was delicious. I am so happy and grateful that you're trusting me with your fitness needs. And you know what? We're listening to you. So let us know what you think. And remember to stretch those legs and book yourself a massage because you've earned it.